guys, and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Today, guys, I'm going to show you guys how easy, guys, it is to prepare this delicious Picadillo de Carne Molida. Guys, this is so delicious. This is so easy, and guys, this is my version. I'm going to actually be adding some potatoes to mine. Just people who add raisins, other add olives. I'm not doing olives because we don't do olives here in the house. But it's so easy, and I'm quite sure these are ingredients you already have home. I'm gonna be serving this picadillo de carne molida with some white rice and some avocado, guys. When I tell you this is delicious, guys, I'm not kidding, it's delicious. And what would I call this picadillo de carne molida in English? I'll say it's like a ground beef stew. So guys, come with me and let me show you guys how easy it is to prepare this delicious picadillo de carne molida.
There is so many ways you can prepare a picadillo de carne molida, guys. This is my version. As I said earlier in the beginning, I don't add raisins or I don't add olives, but you can do that. I'm quite sure it's delicious. So we have some garlic here. We also have some onions. We have some sofrito. We also have here some bay leaves. I have about 3 bay leaves. I also have here some cilantro, some bell peppers as well. I have half a can of tomato paste or tomato sauce in this case. And guys, although these are all the base for a sofrito, I know I have extra sofrito. I still like to add the sofrito. I have some garlic powder, onion powder. We have some oil as well. I have some sazon for a little bit of the coloring, and of course the nice sazon taste as well. I have some black pepper. I have some salt as well. And ground beef, guys, I am doing a lean ground beef. I think the better ground beef you get, the better. Okay, I'm gonna be using some potatoes, but these potatoes, I'm gonna fry these potatoes, guys. This is gonna be so good. And you know what, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of this white wine. Guys, white wine, if you can drink it, you can cook with it. It doesn't matter. And the best part, guys, this cooks in about 30 minutes. We're just going to cook the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna add the meat and all the other ingredients, guys, and it's gonna cook for 25 minutes. And you are ready to go. So come with me and let me show you. Guys, at this point, be very careful with the seasoning, especially the salt. The good thing with this dish is that if you need to add any additional salt at the end, you can do so, okay? So be very careful that you don't overdo the salt, because then you can't fix it at the end. Just a friendly reminder, guys. Now guys, it's time to add these fried potatoes. Guys, this is what makes this dish, if you ask me. This is also optional. You don't have to do this, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bay leaves, and then I'm gonna be adding the fried potatoes. Now, like any recipe, guys, I always say this, the key is to let this sit for a few minutes, okay, before serving. You will thank me later.
Now, guys, how easy was this? And the best part, like I said earlier, guys, you can customize this recipe. It doesn't have to be all the ingredients I use. Like the sofrito. If you don't have sofrito, it's okay. Use your bell peppers, use some onions, garlic, and do your own sofrito, guys. Of course, I have to try this, okay? And this was easy. What, 25, 30 minutes, guys? You cannot beat this. Again, I'm serving this with white rice and some avocado. You can serve this with whatever you fancy. But guys, look how pretty this looks. You want to impress your guests and your family? I've got to try this, guys. My mouth is watering. Delicious. Potatoes, guys. I can taste the onions. It's so good. I'm definitely gonna have a little bite of this avocado as well. It's just such a great combination, guys. Guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. Cheers.